Mainline 7 Steps to Carpet Restoration. Step 1. Pre-inspection. Our certified sales team performs a detailed inspection and reports any damaged components. The damaged areas are identified on a gridded floor plan for further evaluation. Step 2. Power pile lifting. Power pile lifting vacuums out the dry soil, preventing mud from forming. This procedure revives your carpet fibers, improving its appearance and life cycle. Details will not be ignored, as Mainline will include lifting of all wires and edge vacuuming around and under desks, workstation panels, baseboards, and behind doors. Step 3. Preconditioning. Specially formulated agents will prepare your carpet for maximum soil suspension and release. This step can be performed with either a pre-spray application or using a rotary brush. Step 4. Spot removal. Our specialized spot removal is performed with an environmentally safe cleaning agent that is used to remove persistent spots while protecting the fabric appearance. Step 5. Deep steam cleaning. Hot water is vaporized into a coarse mist and injected into the carpet. Soil is held in suspension, then removed by a powerful vacuum into a recovery tank, which is disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. Step 6. Air movers. Air movers help prevent bacterial growth and ensure that the carpet is absolutely dry before usage on the next business day. Step 7. Quality assurance. At Mainline, we take pride in our quality assurance program that consists of our ISO 9001 certification, our application for ISO 14001 environmental certification, and our ICRC and WMIS certified technicians. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have said. Since Mainline Services was awarded our account, we have seen a dramatic improvement in the appearance of our carpets and enjoyed a healthier environment. Mercer. Mainline has always maintained the highest level of customer service and professionalism we require. Morgard. We find Mainline services to be professional and very flexible, especially when working within our tight schedules to maintain our 300,000 square feet facility to its optimum appearance. Sears. Thank you for watching Mainline's 7 Steps to Carpet Restoration. Call us today for your free consultation.